So the ingredient that we need are matcha, obviously. I am using toeng, mango, milk, whipping cream. I think I actually need maple syrup or something, but I'm gonna use caramel. For the tools, I'm using just a small bowl, hand mixer I got from Daiso, blender, and also the cup that I got from a cafe. And I don't really like using plastic cup only once, so I actually always give it another 2-3 times of living. So I actually don't have any measurement. I only have tablespoon and teaspoon, so those are the only things that I'm gonna use. I don't even have scale to measure the weight, something like that. So we'll just use our heart and our mind. And actually this is my first time cutting open mango. Wait, this is, I don't know whether it's second or my first time. So if you see me struggling, yeah, actually my dad always cut mango for me, so I never cut it myself. But because my dad passed away, I don't have anyone to cut mango open for me anymore, so I have to do it myself. I think I'm doing something wrong here. Again, I don't know the measurement, so we'll just eyeball it. And then we need water. Maybe we're gonna use this much water. Is it too much? I actually think too much mango though. We're gonna get rid of it a little bit. Maybe like this much. And then a tablespoon of sweetener, which is usually maple syrup, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna try to work with it. Caramel. Maybe like just this much, I guess. It's something like this. I don't know. I ran out of battery. I ran out of storage, girly pop. So we will just work with you, one and only. Anyway, we will need 2 tablespoons of heavy whipped cream. 2 tablespoons this thing. I don't know. 2. And then we mix it. You cannot really see it, but it changed color. And now we will make the matcha. And I will use this strainer, is that what I'm saying? Just use whatever you have at home. Again, as we don't have a scale, I don't know how much matcha I should use. Some people say this many gram. I don't have any gram. I don't have any scale, so we're just gonna use with this. The use of strainer is actually to just make sure that there won't be any clump when you are mixing it. If you can see over here, you cannot see with my, yeah, you can see, right? You can see there's some clump on it, so if you just put it straight to the bowl, might be more clump when we mix it with water like that. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you don't want to strain it, I think that's fine to not strain it. Is this enough? I don't know. Should we add a little more? Just a little more. Water. I'm gonna put it here because I don't want to lose the other matcha powder on the strainer. Is that how much you should pour? I don't know. Uh-oh. Looks bad. I know, I put too much water on it. And we're gonna add some milk. I don't know how much. Like I told you, I'm doing all this with just my heart and my mind. And now we will pour the rest of the mango to the cup, this much, and pour the ice. Looks ugly, I know. And then pour the matcha. ちょっと怖いんだけどさ、まあいいわ。No ugly. And then this is the reality of it. Now I'm gonna mix This is how it will look like if you make it at home. I'm gonna stir it. This is my first time making mango matcha at home. I don't know if this is how it is supposed to taste like. So I actually can taste the mango and the matcha.
What?
Yeah, I don't know if this is how it's supposed to taste like, but I think it's all balanced. The ratio is 1:1, I think. Like, it's not, I think nothing is overpowering one another. It's really divided in the middle, if that makes sense. But yeah, so I did it. I unfortunately have no b-roll whatsoever about the drink that I just made, the mango matcha. But yeah, so if you make it at home, it will look like this. It might not be able to look pretty and have 2-3 color whatsoever, so it might look just like this. But yeah, you can make it at home and you can use the tools that I just show you. I just use what I have at home without having to be so fancy and spend a lot of money buying those stuffs. I don't know if it will change the taste. I just use what I have at home and I just use my heart and mind to make it. And yeah, at least I tried. Museum of trying. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.